Almost 11 million doses of Coronavac vaccine produced by Chinese pharmaceutical Sinovac are already here in Brazil, being packed and labeled at São Paulo's Butantan Institute. They are just waiting for approval from the country's health regulators, Anvisa, to be distributed. A decision is expected on Sunday, as officials announced rather disappointing results from stage 3 trials taking place here. Coronavac was determined to be 50.38% effective, just above the 50% minimum required for approval. Preliminary results released last week had put the efficacy rate at 78%. What health authorities now say included only mild cases that required medical attention. The new lower number includes very mild cases that required no treatment at all.
Tenho enorme orgulho do trabalho que nós estamos fazendo no Butantan.
I'm enormously proud of the work we have developed at the Butantan Institute, and I'm enormously proud of the work being developed in other research centers. One of the best vaccines available in the world now is this one, Sinovac Butantan.
São Paulo's Governor João Dória says he's holding to his plan of beginning vaccinations on January 25th.
I hope the federal health regulators at Anvisa will fulfill their scientific duty, but also fulfill their humanitarian duty next Sunday and release for use both the vaccines which they are examining, the AstraZeneca one and the Butantan Institute one.
Experts explain that the efficacy rate of a given vaccine is an important element to evaluate its ability to slow down the pandemic. But they say there is another element that is at least as important, the percentage of the population that will be vaccinated.
I believe that we'll begin vaccination before 25th. And I expect that in 3 or 4 months, approximately 40 or 50% of the population will be vaccinated, mitigating the effects of the epidemic and reduce the economical and social impacts. But it will not stop the epidemics, and it is not the ideal vaccine.
Officials would have preferred to see a higher efficacy rate, but in the urgency to fight the COVID-19 pandemic, all available weapons are welcome, including the Coronavac vaccine. The government currently has plans to purchase 100 million doses of Coronavac. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Paulo.